Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I'm going to show you my favorite VS Code extension, which is nothing but this version lens thing. So I don't have much VS Code extensions installed. I have some language support things, some Prettier and Tailwind CSS things, but one thing that I use mostly is this version lens. So what does this do? So this is for this extension shows version information when opening a package or project file in VS Code. It abides the Simver rules and uses Node Simver package to compare and sort versions. So this is an Astro project that I have. It's my personal portfolio website, and here I have a packages on, right? So for updating these dependencies, and I pretty much like to update it to latest version as much as I can. So for updating this, I don't I used to go to the specific package, go to the GitHub thing, and see which is the latest version and update it. But ever since I found this plugin or extension, which is the version lens thing, I have this V right over here, which I can click, and it takes a while, and it just shows what are the latest things. So this for Astro Check, this is the latest version. For Astro Oracle, this is the latest version. For Astro Sitemap, this is the latest version. But for Tailwind CSS, there's a new version, so I'll just update that. And for Astro itself, there's a new version 5.2.5. That's okay, that's a minor version, I'll update that. And Tailwind CSS also has a new version, I'll update that. And TypeScript version. So it's that simple. You can just see what the latest versions are. You can just one click and update that. This is very helpful while working with packages on files like this, and it's very useful, and it has some other options too. So you can see tag dependency version, so which shows other versions like dev, beta, next, canary versions like that also for some files, and it has lots of options. So let's just go in here. I'll go to version lens. Yeah, and it has cache durations, where you want to look up the create packages, and which things for cargo. Let's go to more favorite, the JavaScript package dependencies. Yes, here where to look for dependency properties, which file is the packages on file, and things like that. So it has lots of settings. It's very useful, it's very intuitive, which makes it my favorite VS Code extension. But I don't use that much extension, so these are all the things I use. So let me know if you need to know more about these other extensions, and yeah, try this out, and let me know how it works for you. Bye bye.